Welcome to The Explainer. Are you an emerging leader in Indonesia, someone who's passionate about driving real change? Well, if that's you, you're going to want to stick around because today we are breaking down a fully funded scholarship opportunity that could absolutely redefine your future.
Seriously, just take a second and picture it. You're studying at a top Australian university, totally immersed in new ideas and new ways of thinking. Imagine walking to class under those famous, vibrant purple jacaranda trees, all while gaining the exact skills you need to help build Indonesia's future. So that dream, it could absolutely be your reality, and it's all thanks to the Australia Award Scholarships. Let's dive in and really look at what makes this program so special.
So what exactly are we talking about here?
Well, in a nutshell, these are fully funded, really prestigious scholarships for master's or PhD studies. They're specifically designed by the Australian government to empower the next generation, Indonesia's future leaders, through a world-class Australian education.
But here's the thing, okay? The impact of this program goes so far beyond just getting a degree. It's called transformational for a reason. It's about building real, lasting connections between Australia and Indonesia, creating a whole network of skilled leaders, and truly empowering you to come home and make a tangible difference. All right, so you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds amazing. But is it for me? Do I have what it takes? And those are exactly the right questions to be asking. Let's take a look at who the Australia Awards are really looking for. Okay, so these are the big ones, the foundational criteria. You've got to be an Indonesian citizen, meet certain academic and English language standards, and have a GPA that hits the minimum requirement. And look, I cannot say this enough, you need to visit the official Australia Awards Indonesia website for the super specific details. They are absolutely key to your application. And something that's really incredible about this program is its deep commitment to equity. It's not just talk. They actively encourage and have dedicated support for applications from women, people with disabilities, and folks from certain equity target provinces. They want to make sure everyone has a fair shot.
Now, this part is crucial. The course you want to study for your master's or PhD must line up with one of these three priority areas. Why? Because they are directly tied to Indonesia's development goals, which means the knowledge you gain will have an immediate and relevant impact the moment you return.
All right, hopefully you're feeling pretty inspired by now. Let's get practical. The application process itself is actually way more straightforward than you might think, so let's break down the steps.
When you boil it all down, it's really these three key things. First, do your homework. Double-check that you're eligible. Second, get all your paperwork together, transcripts, certificates, the whole shebang. And finally, fill out that online application. Seriously, preparation is everything.
Okay, get your calendars out because these dates are super important. The biggest one to focus on right now is that deadline, April 30th, 2026, at 11 a.m. West Indonesian time. That is a hard cutoff, no exceptions, so you've got to plan ahead. And hey, here's a little pro tip from us to you. Please do not wait until the last minute. The online portal gets absolutely slammed in those final days. The very last thing you want is some technical glitch messing up this huge opportunity. Get it in early and save yourself the stress.
Okay, let's fast forward. Let's get to the really exciting part. You've navigated the application, you've gone through the selection process, and you've made it. You got in. So, what is life actually like as an Australia Awards scholar?
I mean, just look at this. The support you get is unbelievable. We're talking your entire tuition covered, flights covered, an allowance to help you get set up, a regular stipend for your living costs, health cover, all of it. And this is so important because it means you could put 100% of your focus on your studies and your experience without having to worry about the financial side. This quote just captures the feeling perfectly, doesn't it? It's a totally immersive experience, both culturally and academically. It is so much more than just sitting in lectures and spending time in the library. It's about really engaging with a new country and creating memories that are going to last a lifetime. But listen, the journey doesn't just stop when you graduate and toss your cap in the air. Not even close. In fact, the moment you finish your degree, a whole new, really exciting chapter begins. You become part of this powerful, lifelong network, the Australia Global Alumni. This instantly connects you with thousands of other influential thinkers, leaders, and innovators from right back home in Indonesia and from all over the world who have shared this exact same journey. So what does this all mean? The bottom line is that this scholarship is an investment in your entire career. The Alumni Network keeps on giving, with continuous support through grants, professional development, and exclusive networking events. It keeps you connected and helps you grow long after you've returned home. So you see, this is so much more than just a scholarship. It's a launch pad for your future, and it's a genuine chance to make a profound contribution to Indonesia. Your journey to becoming a global leader with a world-class education, it could literally start right now. The only question left is, are you ready to take that first step?